Morning, first grade and parents. I wanted to give you a little tutorial on assignments in Seesaw. This is new for you. It's new for me too. Before we didn't have assignments that we gave you, but now that we're doing it from home, it's easier to do that for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to access those activities. And it's when you open up and log into Seesaw class. Remember, you're in Seesaw class, not Seesaw family, Seesaw class. When you go in and you've scanned your little barcode or you've typed in your code, you'll probably come to this page, the page that has the journal showing. Just like when we log in school, it always goes to the journal page first. So in order to get to your assignments, you're going to click on the activities. So if you click on the activities, I want you to notice that it has a red circle, and inside the red circle it tells you how many activities are currently in your workload. So I'm going to click activities, and then over here I'll get to see the different activities that I've put in place. Now you'll notice that there are several different ones. This is just a test one, but this one you're going to be doing on Monday. So if you look at your activities, this should come up on Monday for you. And what you're going to do is you are going to play the instructions, and then you're going to hit add response. So first play the instructions.
Use the template and the draw tools to complete the Chapter 12 math test. Or complete your test using a hard copy and upload photos of your test directly to this template in Seesaw.
Okay, so once you've listened to the directions, you're going to hit add response. You always want to respond in the activity so that I get the information. It helps me get it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go through the test, and you can use the draw tools so you can write directly on the test. Like I'll put my name. I'm doing this from a computer, so it's a little bit harder than maybe an iPad. So you'll read the directions, and then you'll answer the questions and fill it in. I'm not going to do any of the answers for you, but you're going to go from page to page to page. Now I added an extra page in case you decided to write it on a hard copy of the test and you want to just take a photo. If you're writing it directly on the page like I did, when you're all done with all 3 pages, you just hit the green check mark to submit. And then it'll show that it's uploading. And then it'll do just like it does in class. It'll say waiting for teacher approval. Now notice that my number over here changed because I submitted my activity. So it went from 5 to 4. So this will kind of tell you how many activities you have in the queue. So I'm going to go ahead and click it again because that looks like I still have more work to do. Oh, this is another activity you're going to do this week. It's the pretzel prayer activity. So you'll play the instructions.
On slide 1, listen to the hit.
Once you listen to all the instructions, you'll go to add response. Now notice this has got something you play.
The legend of the pretzel. Popular legend state.
And then you'll go into the next slide. It's a second page. You're going to color the pretzel. And then the last page has another direction. You're going to record yourself saying Hail Mary. Once you've done all these things, you hit the green check mark and submit. And there it goes, waiting for teacher approval. And now you have 3 activities left. So you're going to be checking this every day because every day you're going to be submitting something to me through Seesaw class, through the class. So it's all related to the activities that are in your weekly schedule. I hope this video helps you understand a little better.